There's a Tesla rebounding ever so slightly today. The stock is down roughly 25%. That's just for the month of November. Our Phil LeBeau has more on a name that has vastly underperformed the broader automotive sector, Phil.
Oh, easily, by a wide margin, David, down more than 50% year to date. Take a look at what's happened to Tesla over the last 2 years. You talk about a roller coaster ride, because we're looking at shares now trading at a 2-year low, and that had a nice move. You know, it was sort of towards the middle to end of 2020 when you really start to see shares accelerate. Well, they've given all that up now, despite the fact that when you look at the metrics behind the profits and losses and manufacturing and production from Tesla, there's no indication that the company is slowing down. Take a look at this. Revenue this year up 579% compared to 2021. EBITDA up 167%. Deliveries up 45%. Just a hair under their guidance, if you will, their rough guidance of increasing deliveries on an annual basis by at least 50%. And then in terms of its market share, at least here in the United States, they're still king of the hill. Roughly 2 out of every 3 electric vehicles sold in this country are Tesla models, and that's not going to change anytime soon. Do we expect that market share to come down, let's say, over the next year to 2 years? Yeah, likely, but right now their average selling price, just over $51,000. So that brings up the question, why are shares under pressure? Well, a lot of it has to do with Elon Musk. In part, you've had the Tesla stock sales, which had to go to fund his acquisition of Twitter. And on top of that, if you look at what he has been tweeting and what he has been saying about Tesla, there really hasn't been much in the last month and a half. And as a result, there's no story to drive this stock. And in fact, over the last day or two, a lot of the stories are, is business slowing down in China? Take a look at Tesla versus GM and Toyota. This is the indication of how far Tesla has fallen relative to other automakers, guys. It is down, 51%, and then you've got GM and Toyota down 21 and 31%. So it is a case where right now, if you are a Tesla investor, you're wondering, where's the story? Because this is what drives this stock right now.
Dear, this guy is not getting it. Elon is making a Christmas present for everyone. This is a chance to buy Tesla stock at huge discounts. This is the most insane Black Friday offer that you can get. But he's saying that Elon is not tweeting about Tesla anymore. Of course he's not tweeting about Tesla. He's waiting for Christmas to announce the record-breaking Q4, and he's busy. Leave the man alone. He's teaching the bluebird to fly. Fly. The bird couldn't fly? It was in a cage. That's another story. But the demand is collapsing. Totally! Looking this video for sure is collapsing. All the animals will be so surprised when they see the next record-breaking quarter of Tesla vehicle deliveries. Here. Yes, Bunny. We have another video that is showing EV market collapse in European Union. EVs are doomed. Tesla is doomed as well. Everyone go back to ICE vehicles, or Russia will kick your bottoms.
From 2035, new cars that are placed on the market, they should be zero emission. We're not saying, okay, you have to sell your car and buy a new car. We're only saying that in 2050, we would like to see that also the transport sector is carbon neutral. So also classic cars, race cars, and the cars that you have now, you can run your car until the end of the lifetime. The most important part for me was that car driving would be still affordable and climate friendly. And this is what we want to achieve with this legislation, that electric driving, for example, is not only for the rich people, also other people can afford an electric car. 2035 is 13 years from now, and car manufacturers are already saying, no, it's doable to place new cars on the market that are zero emission, and that they should focus on developing the zero emission cars and not anymore, for example, in internal combustion engines.
What we're going to do? What we do every day. We will try to spread the news, and we will throw more carrots on the Tesla stock. Woo!